Okay, we got this jigged up a little differently here. So this one needs to go down. So we need to get the stem here pretty close to being parallel with this, I think, is what we really need. So we're going to try to bend it down to get it close to that. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay, what do we got? That's 44 in the center.
Still 44 in the center.
Yeah. Again?
It's 43 3/4.
So move a whole quarter inch. Okay. What do you got?
43 3/8.
Okay. Now what do we got?
42 3/4.
Okay, that's an inch.
42 3/4.
That looks like I went too much. This is level, this is going downhill too much. What do you got?
43 3/4 still.
Alright, I think we're close for now.
Yeah.
It moves up pretty quickly and down is not as quick. So that's going at an angle like that, and now that is back uphill quite a bit again. I barely moved it, but it made a big difference. It looks more straight to me.
43 3/8.
See, looking at this stem, this is slightly downhill, this is slightly downhill, so I think I'm close. Alright, so I'm going to go with that one. Now this one over here, where's the other one? Probably won't go in the hole. Not very easily. There it goes. Okay, how are we looking now? Pretty close.
You want to measure it?
You can measure it. Should be pretty close. Looks pretty flat.
This is 43 1/4. And this is 40. This is 43 3/8. You're right on there, dude. You're within an eighth.
When you look at it, you can see they're pretty close.
Yeah.
This leg is always a problem. Goddamn. Move. My way. Can't bend that way. Alright, so
They're real close now.
this one looks like it's still downhill though. I need a straight edge. That's what they make straight edges for.
Yeah, the one on the right's downhill still. The one on the left is up.
That's pretty damn close though. Move. So you look at the level on the table.
Yeah, I see that. That looks exact like that, huh?
Yeah, you're like a 1/4 inch off on the outside over
That's
there.
what I measured. It goes 1/4 inch off. So
No, and this leg is not tight in that tree. If you tighten that tree up, it'd probably
pull it up, huh?
probably come up a little bit.
That probably will too, huh?
See how it's loose right now?
Yeah, I see that. Yeah, you tighten it up, it'll pull it right up, huh?
Yeah, I probably would.
Oh, you got it, Tatro. You got it, dude.
I think we're pretty close.
You got it.
Okay, let's get this out of here.
Here, let me get it. Let me get it.
Pull it out. Okay, stack it up there somewhere. Okay, so now I'm going to put a tree on there and see how close we really are. Let's see, this is loosen this up. wrench. So I'm going to put this thing together over here. Okay, where's the other one?
Can't get in there.
There it goes. There it goes. Okay, let me see this here. Pretty close. Okay, look up. Put this one up in the air a little bit. Alright, what are we jammed on? We're jammed on the threads or something. Watch out for those threads. What the hell am I hooked on? I don't know anything. Okay, I want to get this thing up high enough that we're above the thread. I don't want to damage the threads. Wrench, let's do that. Okay. Now we take this one, lay it on here. Get an idea where we're at right now. Okay, see how we're all center?
Yeah.
Okay, so this needs to be bent that way a little bit. So hold it right there. So what'd you move?
Nothing.
Something.
No, I didn't move nothing.
Okay, that's how far off we are. So you can see how we're not anywhere near the center of that stem. So this needs to be bent inward now on the bottom because we're too far over. So when I bent it, it moved, didn't go evenly. So now we got to pull this thing back a little bit. And you can see how this one over here is not off of that far. So that means that one's bent out also. So they both went the same way, outwards. Or this stem moved inward, one of the two. Something's bent. I don't think it's a stem, I think it's over there. Okay, so let me get this back over here. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna bend the fork back over.
We'll take the tree off?
Yeah, pull the tree up. So I'm not sure how we're gonna do that yet. I'm gonna figure that out. Okay. Let's get rid of the. Let's see where this thing's at. Okay, where's the other one at?
This one?
This one's centered. This one's off.
You're right. You're right. So it's centered that, isn't it? It's not off very far, about 1/8 of an inch.
That's more than an eighth. See, we're in the hole here. You can see how
Pretty well centered there.
we're off, but it's closer.
It's about 1/4 inch off over here.
But see, the front and back is pretty good on both.
Yep.
It's just now they're twisted. They're like this, laid over. So this one's laid way over this way. This one's laid just a little bit. They're both laid over a little bit. But this side's a lot closer. That's why it's so close here.
Yeah.
But see, it's right here. It's not over here.
Yeah.
So it's still 1/8 inch off that one. This one's off a lot. Probably 3/8 of an inch bent. So now I got to figure out how I'm going to hold the tree and bend it that way. So that is the next thing we got to figure out. So how are we going to work it? I said normally I got these on the front on the frame, which you can leverage off the frame, but we don't have a frame right now, so we have to figure it out. Okay, pull the tree up. All right. So what am I going to do here now? Figure this out. Let's see here. I'm not sure how we're going to do that because there's no real way of doing that. Oh yes, there is. An easy way. Okay, we need to go which way with these things?
And put the tree back on.
Okay, let's get rid of one. Which one's tight? Okay, this one over here is tight. Get rid of this one that's loose. Pull this one off. Okay, this is the one we're going to move. Okay, get rid of that thing. It's in my way. Get out of my way. That means don't put it right where you're going to walk.
No, no.
You are.
Oh.
You're going to kick that damn thing as I go back, so get it out of the way. That means get it out of my damn way.
Okay.
Now it's out of the way. Are you walking over there right now? No, so it's out of the way. That's why it goes out of the way. Okay, where's that top tree again? Okay, I think I need to bend that downward. Okay, that needs to go like this. This needs to be going down, which is very easy to do. Okay, you got that. That's there. Leave that there because I'm going to use it. So all I got to do is bend this thing downward.
Oh, you can see where it's bent, right here.
Mm-hmm.
Right there. You can see how it's bent.
Things are not square, yes.
No, it's not square at all.
I don't know how that happened. How did
Someone got hit.
how did it not get square? All the
Someone got in
bending-
a wreck.
No, with all the bending we're doing, how's it not square? Okay.
Someone got in a wreck with that fucking thing.
Yeah, put
Someone
some,
tried to put it together at one time, couldn't do it.
some
And
salt
they
in.
brought this swap and sold it to me for $40.
$40?
$40 I paid for these trees.
Maybe that's why it was so cheap.
Yeah.
Okay, so right there.
Got it.
Pick a direction.
Big lead hammer, huh?
Hey, look what I found.
Big lead hammer.
Big Mo. So if this is straight to the press, we're probably pretty close. We're not straight. Damn in there. Where'd my hammer go?
Good thing.
Oh, this thing right here. Appears to be bent quite a bit.
Does it?
Yeah. Yep, it appears to be slightly bent. Did I get it?
I hope so.
You think? You hope so?
Try it again.
I think I went too far. Yep. Second hit was too much.
Beat it up.
Upwards go a lot easier than downwards.
Yep.
Because it's already been bent. Okay. Walk up. Tree. Used to be.
Need a little bit of WD-40.
No, it's bent the tree up quite a bit. Go. Blocking the camera view. Appears to be not quite as true as it used to be. Yeah, it's gonna be a pain. Move finally. Okay. Go a little bit more.
Whoa. You're close, dude. That's perfect. That's perfect, dude.
Camera's over there. Let go. See how close it is?
Shower.
Okay,
With the leg.
that one's good. Okay, now how far off's the other one?
And pull it and get the leg.
Don't force it in.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. It's forced in.
Is it?
You jammed it right up into it. See how it's not moving anymore? Yeah, it's because you forced it into it. Okay, let's come up till I can see it. Let go. Okay, so this one needs to go
Hold
up.
it straight here.
This one needs to go up.
There.
Still needs to go up. See how it's off?
That way.
That needs to go up. Here. Take that off. Yeah, it's gonna be a pain getting this thing out of here. We'll use gravity to help us. Let gravity help you when you can. Okay. It's out. Okay, which way we want to go? Or which way you want to go?
I forgot which way it was.
Up. Yeah, this says it's not. This one says it's straight. No, a little off on this side. See how the corners there?
Yeah.
I got it. Okay, we gotta go up just a little bit, not much. So, pressure on it. Oops, I dropped something. Okay. Did it move?
I don't know.
It moved. Okay, check it now. Which one was the one we just moved?
When
Right side.
the right side, this side.
Yeah, it slides in easier now.
Yeah.
That's pretty good. Needs to go
Pretty
up a
close.
whisker more though.
Pretty quick. You want to slide this one in there? Well, it won't slide, will it?
Not very easily, but doesn't matter. I want to get them both where they're lined up. So it needs to go up more. Same thing, one more time.